Și bine v-am găsit la un nou episod de Dream League Soccer. Păi, să începem. După cum vedeți, aceasta este echipa mea. Așa. Și dăm pe tactică moderată. Să jucăm. O să las așa ca să vedeți și voi. Echipa asta e a mea.
This is the 11 unveiled by the home team. And the away team have gone with this formation. So, the referee gets this match underway. Both teams more than capable of winning it. But which way is it going to go? And the teams swap possession again.
Să vedem, e gol?
Gets the shot in. Oh, and it's hit the bar. Oh dear.
Gol, n-am văzut faza.
I hate seeing a replay of this one.
Așa că o să dau mai încet să vedeți și voi. Se pare că și-a dat portarul singur autogol. Asta el le mai dăm câteva goluri ca să nu se supere pe noi. Dar când am jucat cu această echipă, mereu a fost foarte agresivă la poartă. Exact despre ce vorbesc. Ce? Dar pentru ce îmi dă lovitură? De ce îi dă lui la lovitură? Să vedem, de ce mi-a dat offside?
Oh, he's onside here. Oh, determined challenge there. Oh, and dispossessed there. They have the ball again. And he stayed onside.
Și și-a dat prostul out.
Well, the talking point at half-time will certainly be that bizarre own goal. The manager won't be pleased with him. So we're ready to go again for another 45 minutes. What a well-timed tackle. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. It's with the striker. They want to add to their lead here. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Oh, and dispossessed there. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down.
Și gol.
It's a fantastic goal.
Să vă arăt și vouă faza. Ăsta, dacă nu mă înșel, e Kent. Da.
I wonder what that goal will do to the script of this drama. This is Redmond. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. It's back with the
I-am dat lui
goalkeeper.
la pase.
Good distribution from the keeper there. Well, they've got a chance just to regroup now. Oh, determined challenge there. They've won it back. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Ăsta e
Oh,
gol.
he's onside here.
Cum v-am
Very good goal.
zis.
Great finish. Great goal there. He'll be hoping to add more.
Prostia unor portari este că își părăsesc poarta.
Well, it's becoming a bit
Yes, din
embarrassing
poartă.
for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. Surely the cards are coming out here. Actually, it looks like a telling off, but he'll have to be careful. No
Să
cards
vedem
yet
dacă
for the
putem să dăm
referee.
gol.
Goalkeeper's
No.
ball, well taken.
Distanța prea mare.
This is Redmond. Well taken by the goalkeeper. That will be a booking. Yellow card.
A
The
ieșit cu
first player
mâinile
to
de
end up in
acolo.
the book today. First, I'm not sure the goalkeeper would have had that. Let's see how close that one was to going in. He did well to win the ball back.
I feel good. Yeah, I feel good.
He shoots, hits the
Ce
upright.
bară.
It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was.
Oricum
It
nu-i
looked like
bat
it was
pe
going in.
poști ăștia. Nu.
Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. He's onside
Ăsta
here.
e gol, 4-0 se poate? Nu.
Not a good decision there. This could come. What a chance! Good save. And that's well wide.
Asta e.
Surely all he can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left. And it's at full time.
Și am câștigat.
Victory, as the manager couldn't have asked for a better performance from his team.
Păi, ce să mai zic, sper că v-a plăcut episodul de astăzi, nu uitați de like, share, subscribe, cu voi a fost Gabi, la revedere!